Hello friends, and welcome back to Secure Cell. I'm your host, and today I'm presenting you a very interesting challenge from PicoCTF2025. It is regarding Windows security. You know that Windows has got a built-in security or you can say built-in SIM, where Windows basically logged all the event that you have done in your system, and that is called the event viewer. So the PicoCTF challenge was based on an event viewer log passing. The challenge is right before you, in which you can read that there is some kind of event that happened in a company, and the employee was given some visited some online website, and downloaded some unauthorized kind of software. And after installing the software, the system was behaving erratically, and it was just shutting down and doing nothing. So you are required to find out the flags by passing those logs. Now event view, event view viewer is a very important thing. It records every details of your event that has been done in a system in different categories: security, informational, system. So how to pass that log? So what I'll be showing in this video is about kind of a walkthrough of two tools that is called LogViewPlus and Chainsaw. I've also posted a in-house developed tool in my last video that is about the window event security only. If you are more interested, you can go and view that video also. But in this video, I'll be just focusing on solving this CTF rather than going anything outside of it. So let's try to understand that how LogViewPlus is going to help you in solving this challenge at the first stage. See, this is the dashboard of the LogViewPlus. It's a professional tool. You can have the trial period for 30 days, which I have done during my CTF. You can see the file that is already loaded in the dashboard. That is the window event file that was given in the CTF. And since that CTF was during the March, but I could not record that video at that point of time because of certain my own assignments that I have told you multiple times. So let us focus on that what this tool is going to offer us. This tool is very beautiful, dear friends, and if you just go and click the the viewer EVTX file and open that EVTX file, it will give you a like a bifurcation of all the events that occurred in the system in a pie chart form, and that makes the things very easy. Now we don't have to do anything special rather than just going and finding the things of our interest. Like there was a incident mentioned about the installation of software. So what I did, just clicked on the installation of software to find out what all installation has been done. And while browsing those installation, I just found that there is some kind of base 64 encoded string was there. So I just what I did, I just took that base 64 encoded string and tried to decode it using any online tool over there, and I just found my first flag. Now after getting this thing in my mind, I just thought that this tool is very much important. Whether we can do any kind of searching kind of thing, like suppose we know that all the flag files are encoded in form of base 64. So every base 64 encoded string are more or less padded by 2 equal to sign. So I thought that why not try to see, I just got the first part of the string, since I'm doing this in the later half of my creating the video. So at the time of event, I just recorded the video, but I didn't get time to put my voice into it because there are lots of disturbance around that time. Now see, I found, now what I'm going to do, I just try to find out the number of base 64 encoded string in this particular event viewer file. So I'll just go and use a feature called find and search. So if I'll just go for search, and I'll just give a double equal to sign padding string for window for base 64 encoded string, and let's see what it gives me in return. So there will be, now see, I got the two events, and two events, that means I got two part of a CTF flag. First flag that I have already decoded. The second flag, you can see second flag that I have to do here. Now let's go and find out the next flag. Okay, this is the second flag. It's pretty easy kind of thing. Okay, now sorry for taking a break. And again, now there was an event that was mentioned as shutdown. Okay, so I just searched the word shutdown, that how many shutdown events were there in the log, and because the window was just getting shut down, it was doing nothing. So I just searched that word, shut down, and I found one more string was there, and I just after decoding that string, I found the third part and the final part of the CTF flag. Okay, so I hope that you have found this thing very interesting. I'll recommend you to use the LogViewPlus and at the same time solve the challenge by yourself. And in the second part, I'll be trying to use Chainsaw. While doing Chainsaw, I just forgot one thing, that Chainsaw is normally does all this search in case sensitive mode. Okay, so if you are searching a small case or caps, all caps, then you have to be very careful. So there is a switch that is given with a Chainsaw, that is -I. So I just forgot the -I in the first 3 attempts, and that's why I was not finding any hits of the flags. Then ultimately, whatever my finding was from the last LogViewPlus, I just try to replicate in the same, and then I understand that what part of thing I was going wrong. So then I just solve the thing. Friends, so I hope that you have found this video interesting and fetched your interest in the security. If you have got any doubts, please reach out to me through comment box or through my email IDs. I'll try to solve as much as thing from my side by taking time from my other assignments also. And one more thing, friends, I know that sometimes you might find the things are very because whenever I create a video, I always try to see that what could be a beginner perspective. Okay, I know that there could be lots of person out there who are very way ahead of this beginner stuff. They must be very accomplished and talented hackers or the cybersecurity pen testers. I might be in one of your league, but that doesn't mean that I could ignore the friends from the community who have just started their journey. Okay, so if you really want to have any kind of thing that you want to discuss, then you are freely invited, and you just give your opinion that what kind of video in the advanced level you want to see. I'll definitely try my level best to give my best to put across a video for your needs as well. And friends, please share this video to most of your friends in the fraternity, so that everybody gets benefited. And at the same time, it will also be a boosting for me that my channel is growing, getting a reach, so I should invest more time into it, and that is the only way to make me regular. So please, friend, if you want me to be regular, you have to give my channel the reach that I want. I am ready to improve, but you have to help me in that. So let's now cut short all this advertisement, my advertisement part. Sorry for that tongue twister. And you can see that while using that Chainsaw, I was just I got baffled that why it is not giving me the results of my wishes. Then I understood that it is because of that -I switch. Okay, because -I is for kind of ignoring the things and ignoring the case while searching the things. So I just searched finally the base 64 encoded padding, and ultimately I got the flag. So friends, that's all for the video of today. We'll meet with another interesting video in a time to come. And if you have got any special requirement, please post in the comment section. I'll definitely reach out to you and give my best shot to produce a video for that. Friends, I was thinking to start a beginner's journey from understanding network to everything. So what do you say on this approach? Please let me know on this. I'll be giving you my things as far as possible from my side, friends. So that's all from my side, and I have something to address. it's time to say goodbye from your host. Thanks for your time. Bye bye. Have a great day.